Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Mamta, where we simplify technology one step at a time. In today's video, we are starting with some basic yet powerful commands of Linux to run or operate a program. We have graphical user interface with which we use mouse to run or operate a program to open a file. Then we have command line interface. We write command to open or run a program file. Then we have web UI. Now let's start with the basic commands. For printing we have echo command, echo hi, let's say. Then we have date command, which shows the current date. Then we have cal command for the calendar. Now I want a command for our program such that the program goes and interacts with the speaker of our system to convert the text we write into speech. So for that we have espeak command -ng. So let's run it. Let's first clear the screen. espeak -ng command. Let's say hello. Let's say hello from TechwithMAMTHA.
Hello from TechwithMAMTHA.
Okay, so this is never ending program. It's always waiting for us to give the input. So to kill this program or terminate it, we have the key control key. So now to see what and all options we have, for this we have -h command to help us with the options. We have speed 175 default. Then we have -v for the voice changing from male to female or female to male. So let's change the speed from 175 to 50. Let's give the input as hello from TechwithMAMTHA.
Hello from TechwithMAMTHA.
So let's clear the screen. Now let's change the voice of a male to female. So we have hello from TechwithMAMTHA -v F3.
Hello from TechwithMAMTHA.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you found these basic commands helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Let's learn and grow together. See you in the next video.